The Garden of Grace. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there was a garden unlike any other, lush, vibrant, and flourishing with flowers of every color. It belonged to Old Miriam, a gentle woman whose presence was like a soothing breeze. Every day, she tended the soil with care, watering each plant, pulling weeds with soft hands, and never rushing the process. The villagers often visited Miriam's garden, drawn not just by its beauty, but by her kindness. She welcomed everyone, even those who had sharp words and weary hearts. One day, a young man named Elias stormed into the garden, frustrated and restless. "The world is unfair," he grumbled. "People argue, they take what isn't theirs, and no one listens." Miriam knelt beside a patch of wild roses, pruning them carefully. She glanced at Elias with a knowing smile. "The soil does not rush the seed," she said, "and neither should we rush each other." Elias scoffed. "So what? Just let people walk over you?" Miriam pointed to a tall oak tree. "This tree was once a fragile sprout, Elias. The storms tried to bend it, but it stood firm, and still it offers shade to those in need." Elias watched as Miriam gently tended to a wilting flower, reviving it without force. Something about the way she handled the delicate bloom made him pause. Perhaps strength was not in outshouting others, but in listening, in waiting, in standing firm with kindness. And so, Elias stayed, learning from Miriam's wisdom. Patience was not weakness. Humility was not defeat. Love was not something to be earned, but freely given. That day, Elias left the garden carrying something far greater than a handful of flowers. He carried a newfound peace.